You know that gut-wrenching feeling, right? You glance at that never-ending to-do list, and one single task just freezes you in your tracks. Studying? A workout? That daunting phone call. Your brain instantly jumps into negotiation mode. Maybe later. Maybe tomorrow. Here's the kicker, you're waiting to feel like it. Spoiler alert, that feeling might just never show up. The longer you put it off, the heavier it gets, like a damn anvil on your chest. So how the hell do you move when every fiber of your being is screaming, no? Enter the 2-minute bridge. Forget about finishing anything. Just kickstart it for 2 minutes. Write one measly sentence. Slip on those shoes. Dial that number. The hardest part? Getting off your ass and launching into action. Once you break that seal, momentum takes over like a freight train. 2 minutes is your golden bridge from resistance to action. Now, let's talk about becoming a doer. Stop asking yourself, do I feel like doing this? Seriously, you're in a mental battle with a brain that craves comfort. And guess what? You're gonna lose that fight. Shift your identity. Say it loud. I am someone who does hard things. Not just tries does. You don't even debate brushing your teeth, right? It's just what you do. Make that tough task a non-negotiable. Your identity, not your fleeting mood, should drive your actions. Willpower? Yeah, it's overrated. Stop banking on it. Instead, create a system where the decision is already made. Sleep in your workout clothes. Put your phone in another room at M for some serious deep work. Schedule that difficult call like it's a damn meeting with a celebrity. You're not forcing yourself in the heat of the moment, you're just sticking to the plan you laid out when you were feeling like a champ. But what if you're still stuck, frozen like a deer in headlights? Use the 5-second rule. Spot the task. Feel the resistance creeping in. Immediately count down 1 to 3 4 5, then get your ass moving. This interrupts your brain's panic loop. It's like your own personal launch sequence, creating a tiny window where action is actually possible. Don't waste it. Let's be real. Hard things don't magically get easier. You get stronger. Every time you tackle that challenge, you reinforce the identity, I am a person who acts. So the next time resistance comes knocking at your door, don't debate it. Bridge that gap with 2 minutes. Trust your system. 5 4 3 2 1, your future self is waiting, and they're gonna be so damn grateful you decided to start today.